guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and welcome back to another entry in the Laurynicole diaries. So today's journal entry is kind of sad because I am dropping my boyfriend off at basic training. More so dropping him off with his recruiter and everybody else that will be there with him during the duration of basic training. So yesterday we spent the day basically just getting all of our ducks in a row, or whatever the phrase is. From there, he had to meet with his recruiter, which basically told him everything to expect during the first week of basic training. From there, we got him checked into the hotel for MEPS, which is basically where all of the soldiers to be basically stayed last night. They don't get to stay with like you, so I had to go get my own hotel. And then I took him out to dinner. I did get some footage yesterday, but some of the footage in the beginning I recorded in slow-mo for some odd reason. So I'm just gonna show you the footage that I have now.
Not sure you remember. I just remember my swearing at 9.
Oh my gosh.
This way, don't look at her. Look
I was
at
like,
me.
okay. I'm the important one.
Look at me, listen to her.
Oh my gosh, guys. He going to the military. Yeah, so now we gotta go to his hotel to go drop his stuff off. And then I get him for the rest of the day. His recruiter's really cool though. Both of them, they're really cool. Pretty cool people.
I didn't really have an issue with it.
Yeah, I can see that now. But now we're just gonna chill in the hotel room a little bit, and then we're going to go out and get some food, and then I have to drop him off at his hotel that is on the other side of the city. So yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.
So we are back in the car and we're about to go grab some dinner. We were gonna do Mexican at first, but my stomach is not feeling too well right now. So we're gonna do Texas Roadhouse instead, right? Yeah. Which I'm glad because I want some rolls and I want some good food. And this will be like Malik's last meal before going bye-bye. So hopefully, I mean, it's gonna be a meal that you love, because who doesn't like Texas, you know? So let's settle this. Do the Texas Roadhouses around you guys have peanuts on the floor? Because I've been to lots of Texas Roadhouses where in like the waiting area, they have like the peanut shells on the floor. Malik says that he's never been to a Texas Roadhouse where they do this, but I feel like all of them down south has that. The ones up here in Michigan do not, unfortunately.
Granted, at the same time too though, do you think that they may have cleared that up because of peanut allergies?
You think peanut allergies just came out of nowhere in what, 2016? Everybody's had a freaking peanut allergy.
God forbid, there's also been smoking inside, but they were like, hey, that's probably bad to do. So they started doing it outside.
I mean, that could be a reason why they stopped it, but I feel like that'd be highly unlikely. Because it's not actual peanuts on the floor. Well, actually it is. So maybe. Hopefully by the time we get in there, they can just seat us, because I don't want to be waiting. And then I'm also just like, who else on a random Monday night decided to come get Texas Roadhouse? See, I told you, peanuts.
But they're not on the floor. Like sensible people.
All right. Well, I knew that they had peanuts somewhere. Okay guys, so I just got back from dropping Malik off at MEPS, and honestly, I told myself that I was gonna keep it together, and for the most part I did, until we got out of the car to switch spots so that I could drive myself to my hotel. And I saw like another family, and they were hugging their, you know, soon-to-be soldier. Y'all, I completely lost it. Was crying. I was like, and I made this really ugly crying face. So he was kind of like, baby, please don't. And I was just like, he was like, you know, you're gonna be okay and stuff like that. And like, I know I'm gonna be okay. Okay, but it's just like, I just don't want to go without talking to you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you're gonna not hold it together, but it is a-okay. But pretty much I'm just taking off my makeup right now so that I can go to the gym. I brought the gym clothes because even though Malik is leaving and like, you know, it's going to be a different change to my life, like, babes, it's still 2025 and I'm trying to stick to my routine. So we are still gonna go to the gym. Okay guys, so this is my look for the gym, just a little all black set. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like my regular routine. We're gonna do some running, some sit-ups and some push-ups and call it a night because your girl is tired and I also have to film more content tonight before I actually close my eyes and go to sleep tonight. So we're just gonna keep this really short and simple. Okay guys, so I just finished filming some content. I took a shower, washed my hair because I haven't washed my hair in like forever. And I filmed some content for this week. So I'm just going to throw my hair up in this pineapple and we are going to remove my makeup, do some skincare, and then the last thing for me to do today is just to send some stuff off to my agent. But yeah, it's currently like 2 in the morning. And I need to get some sleep because I have to wake up early to go hit the gym again before being up and ready to meet Malik at MEPS. They told me that I have to be there by 9:45 or by 9:40. So my goal is to get there and be in the parking lot at like 9:30 so that I'm not late. I don't want to miss my opportunity to see him one more time before he leaves. I think tomorrow to wake me up, I'm gonna have to get myself like some breakfast though. The only thing about getting breakfast the earliest is that I don't eat breakfast that early. So I'm probably gonna have to get something light. But they did tell me that I was gonna be there from like 9 to around 11, 12-ish, which makes me think maybe we should get something heavier. Or maybe they'll have snacks there. I doubt it, but we'll see. Now that the makeup is off. Okay, so I just finished sending off all of the info that my agents needed. So I'm about to close my eyes and get as much sleep as I can before the day starts tomorrow. So I'll see you babes in the morning. Good night. Which brings us back to here, the morning of the day that Malik is gonna be gone and I don't wanna cry. I really do not wanna cry, guys. Like, all yesterday I kept saying like I was gonna be fine. Obviously I cried. I've been kind of sad this whole weekend just thinking about the fact that like, oh my gosh, she's gonna be gone. And I think that this is one of those moments where God is just separating us so that he can work on us and build us and make us the best partner that we can be. So that when he puts us back together, more so puts us in an area so that we can live together and like be together like that, we're better for each other. Now, we're not breaking up, but we definitely are going to be doing long distance again. In the beginning of our relationship, we were long distance for a while, for about like 6 months, and then he actually got his job to move him up to me, which everybody always says like, oh, he moved for you, but like, I mean, he technically kind of did, but it was also like the help of his job that moved him up to me. So I don't know, I'm just very thankful, very blessed to have him in my life, and I'm very excited for him. Today's the day. I've been like kind of dreading this day since I think we found out about his date that he was supposed to be leaving like in October. Since October, I've kind of just been like pushing it to the back of my mind and being like, you know, it's 2 months away, it's 1 month away, babes, it's today. It's today. It is today. And I'm like, do we wear makeup today? Because if I cry, I don't even have waterproof mascara. Now, one thing that I did do for him is I wrote him a letter. I had stuck it in his shoe. So I picked up the sole of his shoe and stuck it in there. I'll be telling him about that once I see him after he gets sworn in, because today is the day that he's actually getting sworn in and he's gonna go bye-bye. So yeah, I don't know what we do with the hair today. I feel like we might just leave it out, honestly, because it's kind of cute and I just did it last night, so I feel like it's not bad. As far as the outfit, I do have jeans and I'm still contemplating the makeup thing. I feel like a bun that looks okay. And then we could do like edges maybe. Okay, babe, so this is just the final outfit. It's really chill, really comfy because I have like an hour and 45-minute drive back home. And I chose to do no makeup. We did a really good skincare because I'm gonna need it after all the tears that I'm about to be crying. Okay guys, so we made it to MEPS 5 minutes before 9:40 and I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna cry, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna miss him so much.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Thank you. Do you know if we're just supposed to wait in our car?
They don't let people in until 10.
10?
I'll tell
Okay.
you that for
Okay.
sure.
Y'all, I'm too eager to go see this man because the way that I just got out of my car, somebody told me we're not letting anybody in until 10. Oh, it did say that they were supposed to text us. So I hope that they do text us. Let us know what's going on. I don't know. I don't know. Babes, we are back home after a lot of tears and a lot of driving today. And that is the end of the Laura Nicole Diaries for this week. I did hear from Malik a few times before he actually made it to basic training. He actually called me and let me know that he was all right and that I should be expecting a call from him within the next few days. He did call me at the airport, which was really nice, just so that we could talk. And honestly, I just know that he's gonna be fine. He's gonna make so many friends and I can't wait to hear like all of the stories that he's gonna have for me. So truthfully, like I know your girl's gonna be okay. She's gonna be okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this week's diary entry and I will see you babes next week. Bye. I just want you to say, hey vlog, and then say bye. Say, I don't know, say something to the vlog.
Hey vlog. Bye vlog. I don't know what to say. I don't know.
Okay. Well,
Y'all get a face reveal in 2 months.
I'm screaming. Just say, hey vlog, we'll see you next week. Bye.
Why would I be here next week?
Just say, okay, well then say, Lauren will see you next week.
Alright. Hey vlog, Lauren, we'll see y'all next week. I sound so awkward.
Okay, it's fine.
It sounds like some lines, but y'all see y'all next week. Holla.
That's good. That's good.